Dirt, boogers, grime, pet hair, coffee, tea, and soda are probably just few of the things that are found here on this used Dell keyboard. So why not throw it away and just buy a fancy one with lights and stuff? Because this one just feels right when I'm typing or playing a game, and I like the noise the keys make. Besides, I always wondered what if. What if I take it apart and wash it? Will it still work? Will it look cool? I don't know. Let's give it a shot. First, we gotta take it apart, so we have to loosen all the Phillip head screws that are on the back side. And then there's the tedious job of popping out the keys, which is fairly easy if you just push in the two tabs and push out at the same time. But, however, it also reveals all the gook and gross stuff that was underneath those keys. And now that the keys are removed, oh my goodness. Bunch of crusty old dirt in there, huh? Well, I guess we better get to cleaning. And that was so much fun, I thought about cutting a custom window. I sanded, I taped, I painted white, and then I painted orange using Krylon Fusion Paint plus primer with the orange having gloss in it. But now it's been a good day and a half, so it's time to get that tape off and put this old Dell keyboard right back together. Now all that's left is to test out that shiny new old Dell keyboard.
modstek man, modstek man, modstek man, modstek man.